Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC in this 2006 Ford Taurus. If this video is helpful, can you just smash that thumbs up button? Really helps me out a lot. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, start our car. Turn our blower all the way up, temperature all the way to cold, and flip it to max AC. Alright, right there is our low pressure side port, so we're going to connect our fitting there. If I can do this one-handed, this just ends up pushing on here. There we go. So we look not too bad here, but we're gonna just fill in some more or allow it to draw it in. So just squeeze the trigger and oscillate the can. You can do this until you get to your desired fill level. This can's starting to get a little bit empty. I'm going to need to put a different one on, but usually I like to see it up there a little closer to the 50 mark. Yeah, this can's getting a little empty, but shows you how to do it, right? So if this video is helpful, can you just hit that thumbs up button? It really helps me out a lot. And have a good one.